Happy evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll start with the prayer. Come on, start the prayer.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namastuvyam Kamarupini Vidyarambha Karishyami Siddhibhavadu Preshana Sarvapatna Visharakshi Padmakesara Mantri Vidyavatmanaya Devi Tanam Padu Saraswati Bhagavati Bharati Purena Bimbana Matu Devo Bhava Pitru Devo Bhava Acharya Devo Bhava Atiti Devo Bhava Raitu Devo Bhava Samha Samskrayatu Devo Bhava Om Shanti Namaste, welcome,
Start. Pooja, rotate your mobile. Pooja, Anita.
హలో అన్నా
మీ మొబైల్ ని రొటేట్ చేయండి మా. రొటేషన్ ఆఫ్ లో పెట్టారు చూడండి. రొటేషన్ ఆన్ లో పెట్టి రొటేట్ చేయండి నీట్ గా. గుడ్ గుడ్. ఎస్. ఒక చోట పెట్టేసేయండి, ఎందుకు కదిలిస్తా ఉన్నారు? ఎస్. మీరు రొటేట్ చేయండి. పూజ వాళ్ళు ఫోన్ ని రొటేట్ చేయండి ప్రాపర్ గా. పూజ, are you there? పూజ ఉన్నావమ్మా? మీరెందుకు మళ్ళీ కదిలిస్తా ఉన్నారు? నిఖిత, ఒక చోట పెట్టేస్తే అంతే అయిపోతుంది కదా. మళ్ళీ ఎవరు పట్టుకోండి ఇది. స్టాండ్ ఉందా లేదా? మరి స్టాండ్ మీద పెట్టేందుకు ఎంతసేపు మీకు? Yes. So today we have a guest with us. Then you guess who is she? Huh? Tell me, who is she?
Rani.
Huh? Who is she? Doctor?
Sridevi.
Doctor?
Sridevi.
Do you know who is she? Doctor, yes, she's a doctor. Then how we know? How we know her? She's a
Poet.
yes, she's a poet. She is a writer. Not exactly poet, writer. I don't know if she is a poet also. I know she writes book and we have a book. So we received books, right? Can you show that book? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. That is a book. So what is the book name?
Madanika.
Danika.
Madanika.
Yes. She has it. Yeah. Show that book once again. Yes. So she's the writer of that book.
Thank you.
Thank you. So మీరందరూ చూసారు కదా, you all saw, right? In that book, how a warrior princess. So it's the story of a princess. So she's a warrior. So on her name, so we did a competition. What competition it is? Rani Rudramadevi competitions. We did a competition, right? Can you show that drawings? So the drawing of Rani Rudramadevi. Yes. Here we see.
Okay.
Yes. Right. So how about yours, Nikita? So we had a competitions and we wanted to facilitate those winners with these books.
నీకు పుస్తకం నచ్చిందా? ఓకే. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, ma'am. It's okay,
Who
ma'am.
all read the book?
So,
Who all read the book?
sorry. So there was some connectivity issues, so we got disconnected. Yes. So seems you are talking them in Telugu.
Telugu 1 to 3 lines I prepared actually.
Superb. So did they show their drawings? Nikita, మీరు చూపించారా drawings?
అన్నా
Drawings చూపించారా?
చూపించా.
రాణి రుద్రమదేవి drawings. మీ దగ్గర నుంచి పిచ్చిగుండ్లపల్లి.
തിരക്ക.
Okay.
എനിക്ക് തിരക്കിലാണ്, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ ഫോൺ.
Fine.
ഫോണാ.
Yes. Sridevi, you want to show?
Escort.
So actually there is a surprise for you, Dr. Sridevi. So couple of our girls wanted to make a puppet show using your story.
Okay.
So shall we? It's just a 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Take your puppets.
Sir, are you recording this thing?
Just a minute. Is it? Yes. I think it's recording. Do you want to record in your system?
Yeah.
Shall I upload it in YouTube and
Both
share it
of
to
us?
you?
Yeah.
Sure, I'll do it. Yeah. Come here. Wait. ఎంతమంది? Teacher. Okay. Come on. Show it.
Hi friends, my name is Frog. My name is Teacher. Start the story. I'm Madanika, the enter soul of the mystic world. Present myself here, an ordinary human being asked by Almighty God to visit Mother Earth. I have no beginning or end, yet I abide by the rules of the God for the sake of the suffering creatures in the world. I shall narrate how I came down to this earth and took the physical body of a human being. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Next. మీరు చేశారా? Okay. So, do we have the winners? Winners of the competition. Nikita,
Anna,
Vanita లేదా?
Anna, akka, చేయంతో పని చేస్తాను అన్న.
Okay. So, ఎవరు winners?
గుణ అన్న.
Where is he? Book ఎక్కడ?
అన్న.
Okay. So, shall we hand over the books to the winners?
Yeah.
Yes. Where is the winner? Where is his drawing? Then drawing ఎక్కడ? Where is he? Good. Come on, clap. Okay. Who are the other winners? Nikita.
Be silent.
మిగిలిన విన్నర్స్ ఎవరు? హలో. ఓకే. పొంగనూర్, who are the winners? ఆ రోజు బుక్ తీసుకుని విన్నర్స్ ఎవరు? Come on, stand up. ఎవరెవరు తీసుకునింది ఆ రోజు? నువ్వు ఇంకా ఇది డ్రాయింగ్. ఇంకో బుక్ ఎక్కడ? Come on.